Ooh. Sorry.
That was really good.
Oh, God.
And then Olivia, as always, will let me know if pressure is too much, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. So what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna go pick up my friend Jenna, and then we're gonna go get dinner, I guess. I mean, are you open all day on Saturday, or?
We are 8 to 2, so it's kind of a short shift, which is nice. Get a full Friday off, and then a short shift Saturday, and then you then you have the rest of the weekend off. So.
Yeah, that is really nice.
Is that pressure okay down here?
Yeah.
And any radiating
pain? A little sore, yeah, like down my leg and stuff. But otherwise.
How do the ribs feel right now?
Sore.
Is that too much?
No, it's okay.
Okay. We'll see. Hopefully, we can get a little bit more movement through that mid-thoracic today.
I know, I'm hoping something goes. It's been so tight. That hurts so bad in my shoulder blade.
Right up here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a little bit of muscle work up through there in a second here. This will be different than what we did on that first visit.
Okay.
All right, let's try this out. So what I'm gonna have you do, Olivia, is you're going to be repeating this motion with your arms. I'm going to have you start here and then bring them up just like this. So kind of just flap your wings for me and repeat that. And while you do that, I'm just going to put pressure on a few different muscles, okay?
Okay.
Go for it. And if this is too much, let me know. Good. How's that feel?
It's kind of hard for me to move my arms up and down like that.
Really try to pinch through those shoulder blades. There you go. A couple more. And last one. There you go. All right, you can relax. Okay, I'm gonna grab the gun here.
So expensive. Like, I could get a BMW with less miles and newer with all-wheel drive for less than, I could get like a 2014 Jeep.
All right, I think we're ready, Olivia.
Okay.
Let's do that mid back first. I'm gonna have you drop your arms to the floor for me. And these are gonna be just like we did on that first visit. I'll have you do that breath in and out. As you exhale, I'm gonna lean in and then give you that adjustment, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start again. Take a breath in and let that all the way out. There you go. Much better. Another one here. Little breath in. And let that all the way out.
Ooh. Sorry.
That was really good.
Ow.
We're gonna do one more, just a little bit higher. All right, breath in there. And out. Good. Awesome. But that moved so much better than that first visit.
Yeah, that did.
Okay.
Crap.
I'm gonna have you lay on this hip and this shoulder. That bottom one down. This shoulder. Good.
Oh, God.
Let's roll you over to the other side too.
There's a lot of cracking
A lot
compared
of
to
movement.
the last time.
Yeah, so your muscles have started to relax a little bit and they're not nearly as guarded.
Yeah.
You're letting everything move a little bit better. There you go. All right, I'll have you go flat on your back. So I want you to just stay nice and loose through the knee. All I'm gonna do is just give you a little tug towards me. And actually, can you take your hands and put them right under the small of your back? There you go. Go, there's one. And we got one more. Good. Okay, you can come back up and we'll finish up with your neck.
Okay.
Any headaches right now?
Yeah, I have one all morning. And a slight one right now.
Okay.
It's just bad in my left side.
Right up through
Yeah, that hurts.
here.
Mm-hmm.
You feel a good stretch with that?
Yeah. I think it hits right where my headache was stemming from.
Right where my hands are up here?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, that's right at the base of your skull. When you have an injury like that, those muscles get really stretched and irritated.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the perfect stretch for you. I'm gonna give you a little pull towards me, and then we'll go for those adjustments. Okay, you ready?
Yes. I think so.
Let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna bring your head just off to the side here. Right like that, and then right where my fingers are here, just gonna be a little push. There you go. And we got one more. Very good. One final stretch here. All right. You're all set, Olivia.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Come on up.
Give that thumbs up.
Yeah.